So I got a few comments about the camera stopping and not seeing how we mounted this. For us, since we have this railing right here, it just rests on top of that rail on this side. So as you can see up here, maybe because of the sun, but remember, that's why I put these 1/4-inch plywoods right here so that it's kind of flush and rests on here in those 3 spots there. So I just did mine, and it rests on that rail. Then I used these blocks and screwed them to the post to lock it in place so it doesn't shake too much. And that, you know, as you can see, those pots are out towards the edge, and it's just holding it in there nice and tight. I had my wife hold them down when I screwed them in, and that's how these are mounted. Now, if you don't have a rail underneath yours, you could cut a block and put it on the post right here and rest it on here underneath. You could even just get you some shelf brackets, you know, like those fancy shelf brackets, and put one of those up here and come out to here and screw it to that. Cut an 11-inch block that goes all the way across and screw it to the post and then lock it in just like we did. There's all kinds of ways you can mount it, but for us, we just did it with the block on top, just the block on top right here, and it seems to work just fine for this situation. Resting it on here, putting a block here. Otherwise, like I said, do what you like. So hopefully that helps on those that are confused how we mounted it since we stopped the camera. And it was pretty easy. I just, like I said, held it up here, had my wife hold these in place, screwed them down, and then started putting the plants on.